What's up fellas, welcome to another video from West Coast Sharking. Today I'm just going to be demonstrating how to tie a simple uni knot, which is very simple to tie and arguably the strongest knot when tying monofilament leader to lures. Alright, let's get started. So I've got 100 pound Genkai monofilament leader and a Rapala X-Wrap long cast stick bait. Pull a bit of line out. So all you want to do is feed the line through the eye of the lure. So we've got it like that. Now what we're going to do is make a loop up the top, pinch that with fingers like so. Now we want to get the tag end of the line, go around the main line and through your loop. Now you can pinch that as well. Now you want to do that, repeat 4 times, if you can see that. Repeat that 4 times. Four times. Pull tight on the tag end. Reasonably tight, not too tight. And give it a bit of spit. Lubricate the line, stop it from burning. And now what we're going to do is hold your lure and pull the main line, which will bring the knot closer to the lure. Pull it tight as you can. And there you have it. Simple uni knot. Very effective knot when tying monofilament leader to lures. Now you obviously want to just cut off your tag end, pair of pliers or snips, whatever you got. And there you have it. Very, very strong. You'll struggle to break that. Alright, that's it for today's video, guys. Remember to like, comment if you want to see any more tutorials on fishing knots, rigs. All you have to do is ask the question. If I know it, I'll tell you. Be sure to subscribe to catch every upload.